Hi, I'm Dr. Roberts, and let's talk Caribbean education.
This video is on cooperative learning and its role within inquiry-based learning. In today's classrooms, especially across the Caribbean, we are moving away from teaching that focuses only on memorization and individual work. Instead, we emphasize learning that happens through interaction, questioning, and shared discovery. So, what exactly is cooperative learning? Cooperative learning is a structured way of teaching where students work together in small groups to achieve shared academic goals. Each member of the group is responsible for both their own learning and for helping others succeed. It is more than just sitting in a group. It is learning through purposeful collaboration. According to educational theorists like Johnson and Ormrod, cooperative learning rests on 5 key ideas. Positive interdependence. The group succeeds only when everyone contributes. Individual accountability. Every member is responsible for understanding the content. Face-to-face interaction. Learners explain, question, and build on each other's ideas. Interpersonal skills, teamwork, communication, and leadership must be developed. Group processing. The team reflects on what worked and what can improve. These principles transform the classroom into a space where students construct knowledge together instead of simply receiving information. Now, how does this connect to inquiry-based learning, or IBL? Inquiry-based learning encourages students to ask questions, investigate problems, analyze data, and draw conclusions. Cooperative learning provides the social framework that makes this process powerful. When students collaborate, they challenge ideas, share perspectives, and support each other through the stages of inquiry: asking, exploring, explaining, and evaluating. Let's look at how this works across different subject areas. In business studies, students might form startup teams to create business plans or analyze a company's success. They learn to share roles and make collective decisions. In case law, teams can hold mock trials or debates where they interpret real legal issues, developing reasoning and ethical judgment. In information technology or computer science, students collaborate to design apps or websites, sharing coding, testing, and design responsibilities. In TVET areas such as cosmetology or metalwork engineering, teams carry out production tasks where precision, safety, and teamwork mirror the real workplace. In all these examples, students are not just completing a project, they are engaging in inquiry, testing solutions, and learning from each other. Cooperative learning also builds critical thinking and communication. When learners explain ideas to their peers, they clarify their own understanding. When they listen to others, they gain new perspectives. This social exchange deepens comprehension and builds confidence. In the Caribbean classroom, cooperative learning connects beautifully with our culture of community and togetherness. It values each student's voice, encourages inclusivity, and prepares learners for teamwork in real professions, whether that's managing a business, practicing law, developing software, or working in a technical trade. To summarize, cooperative learning is the engine that drives inquiry-based learning. It makes inquiry social, reflective, and authentic. When students work together to question, investigate, and solve problems, they not only learn academic content, but also develop lifelong skills: critical thinking, collaboration, and respect for diverse ideas. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on effective teaching strategies for Caribbean classrooms.